guys, I'm Emily. I'm a nutritional therapist and today I'm going to be talking to you about chocolate cake. Chocolate cake, I hear you ask? Well, with Acti-Labs chocolate lava cake, you can literally have your cake and eat it. It can be a snack when you're on the intense diet, but as it's a 200 calorie full meal replacement with 25% of your recommended daily allowance for vitamins and minerals, it could be a breakfast or a lunch if you're following any of the other plans. If you're in a hurry, you can cook it in the microwave for 90 seconds, but for extra gooiness, oven is best. It only takes 10 minutes, and I'm going to show you just how to make it. So, grab your sachet, shake it out, and rip it open. And you want to pour out 50 milliliters of water and just add the sachet to the water. Make sure it's all out, not hiding any of the corners. Da-da-da. Time to mix it round. Even this doesn't take long, it's already creating a really nice smooth paste. And you want to grab yourself an oven-proof dish. Got a nice little ramekin here. You want to preheat your oven to 200 degrees. And once it's all mixed up, nice and smooth, into the dish it goes. Start feeling very hungry now because of the smell. So chocolatey. Da-da. And you want to put it in the oven. Cook it for just 10 minutes at 200 degrees. And that's it. Simple, easy peasy chocolate cake ready in 10 minutes. So into the oven, this bad boy goes. Voila! A wonderful chocolate cake. So tuck in and enjoy. It smells absolutely delicious. Acti-Labs chocolate lava cake ready in just 10 minutes.